In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove comments from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever needed a clean and unmarked copy of a PDF, you'll find this guide really useful. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to have your PDF file open in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you've got your document ready, the next step is to navigate to the Comment tool. There are a couple of ways you can get there. You might already see the comment button on the right panel of Acrobat. Clicking that will take you directly where you need to be. Alternatively, you can head to the top menu, click on Tools, and select Comment. Both methods will lead you to the same workspace, so use whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're in the Comment tool area, you'll notice a pane that usually appears on the right side of your screen. This pane will list all the comments and annotations that have been added to your PDF document. It gives you a clear overview of each comment, so you know exactly what you're working with. Now, let's look at how to delete a single comment. Start by selecting the comment you want to remove from the list in the Comments pane. Once you've highlighted the comment, you'll see an Options menu, which appears as 3 dots right next to the comment. Click on these dots, and then you'll see the option to Delete. Simply click Delete, and just like that, your comment is gone. Another way to delete a comment is directly on the page itself. Move your cursor to the annotation or comment object you're aiming to remove on the PDF page. Right-click on it, and from the menu that pops up, choose Delete. This is a straightforward and quick way to handle single deletions without having to go through the pane if you're already navigating through your document. And that's about it for our session today. Hopefully, this guide makes managing and cleaning up your PDF documents a breeze. Remember, mastering these simple tools can make your workflow with PDFs much easier and more efficient. Thanks for joining. And make sure to keep exploring all that Adobe Acrobat Pro DC has to offer. We'll see you in the next video.